Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to do a book review for you, and it is called Vanna's Choice Easy Crochet Critters, 10 Amigurumi Designs. This is an Leisure Arts publication. And here's the back. And this is put out by Lion Brands yarn as well. So they have their... Okay, I'm going to go through every page with you. And when I get to a page that I have made an actual animal, I am going to show you the animal that I made with this pattern. So first off, it's just an introduction page, and then it shows Vanna's Choice yarn. It shows you all the yarn, lots and lots of pretty colors. Okay, the first one is Little Amigurumi Elephant, and this is easy. It's an easy pattern, and that is right up here. It will give you the size. It gives you everything you will need. It gives you a list to go by, everything that you need. A nice color picture of what you will be creating. And then underneath, it starts the pattern. And the pattern is all of the patterns in here are very, very easy to understand. Very easy. And then you get some more pictures. Now here's Little Amigurumi Hippo. And this is easy. And once again, the size of it, and then all the list of what you will need to complete the project. Get a picture, and then you get your pattern. So be there, 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 and then they give you another picture, just so that you can see all of the animals together. That's why they do that, just to do that. And, of course, the hippo. Here is my hippo. Okay, and here is their hippo. So, very, very fun to make. Okay, moving on, and then they have a monkey. And it's easy. I think they're all easy in here. It's just very simple. And then you've got your instructions, and then they have a picture. And then there is the little giraffe. So cute. I love this one. And it's easy to do. And you got the directions. And I made that one. So here is mine. So cute. It'll tell. Okay. and then there is theirs. And I used safety eyes on mine. I mean, well, that's what they tell you to say, but that's what I did. I'm not going to be giving them to any little children or anything, so. And then you got an alligator. So here's the alligator, and easy. And then they give you another little picture, little demonstration picture. And then they have the lion. I think I'm going to make this one next. This lion is adorable. And it's easy. Got a seal. Easy pattern. And then they give you a little picture with some of the little animals that were made. And then here's a walrus. Now the walrus, I just embroidered his eyes on him. But there's the walrus. Here's my walrus. And there is theirs. So I will put side by side. So you can see the size. I mean, they're nice sized little amigurumis. And here's another little picture. And then you got the snowy owl. I'm going to make this one too. It's easy, of course. Isn't that cute? Adorable. They've got a penguin, which is adorable as well. So you'll probably be seeing some more amigurumis from me, because I see at least 3 more in here that I'm going to make. And then here you go. And then you get your general instructions, which I think is very nice. They go over yarn size down here. They have a chart with all the yarn size. They have their diagram here with the crochet hooks and the size and lettering and all of that down there. Basic stitches and techniques. So you got 2 pages of those. You got the chain, slip, half double, single, double. They talk about markers, back and front loops only, changing colors, straight stitch. It's a very informed book. And then they just show you some of her other books that Vanna White has as well. And then, like I said, on the back is all of the animals that are in this book. It's a well-made book. It's a thicker paper, very nicely done. Beautiful color pictures in it. There is 48, including the back here, 48 pages. And you get, there is no advertising in it. It's just strictly the picture and the instructions. And then your chart, you know, your basic information, your stitching information. And that's all that's in this book. You can find this book on Amazon. I will put a link down below in the description if you are interested. I would recommend this. Very simple stitches. And as anyone that has done amigurumis, it's very simple. Very simple, and these are very easy patterns. So check out the link below if you're interested. And once again, I will show you the animals that I have created so far with these. Love them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.